Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you an example of an ANOVA in Minitab. A manufacturing company produces automotive parts that require painting before shipping. The paint drying time has become a bottleneck in the production process, and engineers suspect that humidity in the painting room may be a major factor affecting drying time. Humidity levels are categorized into 4 ranges: low, moderate, high, and very high. Engineers collected drying time data in minutes under each condition. We're going to use a one-way ANOVA to test whether there is a statistically significant difference in mean drying time across the 4 humidity conditions. That means our null hypothesis is that the means are the same. mu1 is equal to mu2 is equal to mu3, which is equal to mu4. This shows no difference in drying times. Our alternative hypothesis is that at least one group has a different mean drying time. We'll take the data for the low, moderate, high, very high drying times and put it into Minitab. When we're in Minitab, this is what we're looking for. We want the degrees of freedom, the adjusted SS, which is the adjusted sum of squares, the adjusted MS, which is the adjusted mean square. Then we're going to find the F ratio, the p-value, and the r-squared value. Once we've transferred our data into Minitab, we're going to select Stat. We'll go to ANOVA, and we're using a one-way test. We're going to select that the response data are in separate columns. Then we'll click on each column to add it to the responses. Scrolling down, we find the analysis of variance. So degrees of freedom, 320 for a total of 23. Adjusted SS, 696.06, 20.14 for a total of 716.20. Adjusted MS is 232.019 with an error of 1.007. Our F value is 230.43 and our P value is 0. Scrolling down a little farther, we see that R squared is 97.19%. At the alpha equals 0.05 level, what's our final conclusion? Well, remember, the P value is 0. 0 is less than alpha, which means we would reject the null hypothesis. This says there is a significant difference in drying times based on humidity.